we got the Henry.
That's the card.
You take that. Thank you.
There we go.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Hang on, I'll put mine in here. Then the lights go on. There you go.
This is our home for the next 12 days.
Wow. Wow. What do you think, Henry?
Are you okay with this?
They have chocolate and wine.
No, it's Prosecco, and I bought it. Would you mind switching on some
Look at
lights?
this view.
Yeah, well, maybe.
Look at this view, Mama.
Yeah, my goodness. Hey, Oma, you happy?
I'm so happy. Oh, it's so amazing.
It's lovely,
It's
isn't it?
lovely. Oh, it's
I think Daddy Moose, Papa Moose, is getting us outside.
Yes.
Monkey,
Oh,
don't
yeah.
climb on anything, yeah? Wow, this is the view from our cabin, from our veranda. I cannot believe we're on this boat. So long. Wow. This is beautiful. Hello, Southampton. Got a bit of Prosecco. You got your beer glass.
With the rose.
With a
in it.
rose in it, darling.
Ooh.
We've got, look at what we have here, babes.
What?
What's this?
Are those gifts?
Bathrobes.
Do we get, oh no, it's
Well, that's my gift to you.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
you're very welcome. Now do I get a kiss?
This is the bathroom.
Off camera, yeah?